Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. So now we are discussing another bill, public interest litigation. Supreme Court once again refused this bill also. So what is this bill? The bill is filed. So to disconnect the link between the pornography and the sexual crimes. The Chief Justice of India, Honorable U. Lalit and Ravindra Bhatt, refused to entertain a petition to formulate a standard operating procedure by the police to examine the impact of viewing the so-called pornographic material by youth and committing the offences. Though the standard and operating procedure should be made regarding the pornography as well as the sexual crimes. So that means police while investigating the sexual violence cases, they have to check up whether these people were addicted to pornography or not. You can read the cases. Nalin Kohli, not Virat Kohli. Nalin Kohli alias Nalin Satyakam Kohli versus Union of India and others 2022. Right now, the petitioner Nalin Kohli, he started arguments by referring to the very recent Assam incident. An incident occurred in Assam where actually four friends who were addicted to pornography, actually they have pressurized a girl of 6 years age to actually see and enjoy the pornographic sites. But since she raised objection, so they made the girl to watch the pornography, but when she resisted, it led to her gruesome murder of a 6-year-old girl. So how did this offense take place? So now the link between the pornography and the sexual crime is established. Therefore, as a consequence of this, Assam police, they gave guidelines regarding the collection of digital evidence in such cases. While investigating the cyber crime, please remember that particularly the cases related to rape, molestation and other sexual offences, they have to check up whether these people were addicted to see the pornography website or not. So definitely it is an important point. The link is there. Of course, it is for the Supreme Court to decide. But actually, the public interest litigation is definitely filed in general interest only. I have to support this Kohli, right? And this petitioner, he has cited number of data also. NCRB, you may be knowing, National Crime Records Bureau. Data reveals crimes are happening unabated. Yes, we know. In 2012, Nirbhaya case happened. Then sexual harassment of women at workplaces, 2013 Act come. Did they stop? Then Disha, in Telangana it happened. So crimes are being committed unabated. Therefore, the petition is pleading that to prevent crimes from happening, so please make a nationwide policy. That is, link between the pornography and sexual videos, sexual crime. Right. Now in this connection, Justice Ravindra Bhatt said that Are Baba, NCRB, it's only collection of data, it is only crime records, but they don't do the qualitative analysis. They say in this year so many crimes happened under dowry death. That's all. They don't say whether there is a link between the pornographic sites and also the sexual crimes. So in this connection, once again, Kohli gave an example of a very famous case, that is Prajwala versus Union of India, where a woman has been detained, and from that case onwards, the Supreme Court gave directions that the victim's protection protocol has to be accepted. So actually the woman should not be treated as a prostitute, she should be treated as a victim. She is a victim of sexual trafficking. So like that, if you happen to get a link between the pornography and sexual crimes, some protection can be given to the victims. So therefore, he is requesting for the standard operating procedure. But Supreme Court did not agree. Supreme Court says, Prajwala case is a different case. It shows when the video of a girl was uploaded, it caused mental agony to her. And her reputation was destroyed in many areas in the entire world. So it is a different thing. But for this, the link between pornographic sites and sexual crimes cannot be framed as a standard operating procedure, because every case depends actually on the facts and circumstances, and each case should be taken on the individual basis only. Of course, in United States of America, in 1990 itself, a petition was filed before the Honorable US Supreme Court. So, to reduce the pornography, so this case you can refer it as United States versus Reno, R-E-N-O. But Supreme Court, United States Supreme Court said, we can't set the house on fire to roast a pig. అంటే పంది లోపల ఉందని చంపడానికి ఇల్లు తగలబెట్టలేము ఇదన్నమాట. So no doubt, Supreme Court says, no doubt, new articles, definitely they show that there is an increasing tendency in the crime, particularly regarding rape and murder. But we can't give blanket orders like this for connection of link between the pornographic sites and sexual offences. It's not correct. So we can't entertain. Ultimately, the plea is dismissed. So this is another petition which is dismissed. So please read the case and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you.